on the President's order to conduct lifestyle checks on government officials. Ano pong thoughts nyo doon? And should that also cover members of Congress, congressmen, and senators?
I think the call, of course, of the President is on all, no? Pero I'm also quite sure na he also wants to respect yung pong co-equality ng branches of government. I think wala naman ng problema na magkaroon din po ng lifestyle checks sa mga miyembro po ng Kongreso, miyembro po kahit ng hudikatura. Kasi syempre, kailangan naman po talagang all-encompassing. And more importantly, meron po talagang mga expectations, no, on all government officials, on all government employees, na talagang pong dapat we should be able to lead and live modest lives, no? So I think very important po yon na hindi lang ho mag-target, for example, on DPWH, but on each and every agency and on each and every political branch of government.
Ako, I'm in favor of that. No? Kung nais ng Pangulong simulan sa DPWH, well and good, no? Pero kinakailangan lahat. Sabi nga ni Congressman Terry doon, lahat yan, pati judiciary, lahat na. Talagang magkaroon ng lifestyle check, no? I'm in favor of what the President has said.